Hey, what's up, folks? Landon here with LMR.com, and it's Dyno Day. Before we get rolling and talk about what we're doing today, drop us a comment and let us know what you would like to see us dyno. For the most part, try to keep it somewhat realistic. Don't go talking about golf carts or whatever the case may be. Tell us something that we can get our hands on, show you guys, and dyno it for you. So in that, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you don't miss any of our future dyno videos. All right, so what we're working on today, this is a 2003 Dark Shadow Gray 03 Cobra. This car currently belongs to Ricky Meyer. Previously, it was owned by Greg Ward. Greg is also an employee of Late Model Restoration and does a phenomenal job for us. The way you see the car here, Greg's pretty much done all the work. Now, let's backtrack a few months. I don't know if you guys remember. Ricky had the 1990 GT with the Vortex Supercharger. It made really great power. So fast forward to today, and kind of behind the scenes, Greg and Ricky, they worked a deal and they swapped cars. So fast forward to today, Ricky now has Greg's old 03 DSG Cobra, and Greg now has Ricky's 1990 Mustang GT. As far as modifications are concerned with the car, it's still the factory long block. It has 104,000 miles, and sitting on top there is a 2.9 liter Whipple Supercharger. That is the non-crusher unit. It's a 4-pound lower pulley with a 3.5-inch upper, so we're seeing about 21 pounds of boost. Has a cold air intake with a GT500 slot style mass airflow meter, AccuFab single blade throttle body. It does have a set of long tube headers, off-road mid-pipe, and a catback exhaust. Behind the factory long block is still the Trimit T56 transmission, so our pulls will be made in 4th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. Has an aluminum drive shaft and still has the factory 355 rear gear. As far as the wheel and tire is concerned, that's a 17-inch wheel wrapped in 315/35/17 tire. As far as fuel concerned, the car does have E85. And with that being said, there is a full fuel system on this car to support E85 and the power that the car makes. So y'all know the drill. You watch our dyno videos. We're gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're good to go on our end. Straps are tight, lug nuts are torqued, yada, yada, yada. And we're gonna make it hit. All right, folks, let's take a look at some numbers on Ricky's 03 DSG Cobra. With all things considering here in Texas, at the time of this video, it's August. It's hot as hell, for lack of a better word. It's about 88 to 90 degrees in our shop with 60% relative humidity. The car made 715 horsepower at 6,200 RPM and 687 pound-feet of torque at 3,200 RPM. While talking with Ricky and Greg, the car has made more power elsewhere, but again, guys, a dyno is a dyno. Going to differ from place to place, dyno manufacturers, you name it, the time of day. There are so many variables to consider, but with all things considering, this is great power, and Ricky's looking forward to driving this car, taking it to car shows, drag strip, whatever the case may be. We're Mustang enthusiasts, and you never know what we're up to. So we're going to sign off today, guys. Hope you enjoy these types of videos. We enjoy offering this stuff to you guys. So like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more dyno videos, and turn on notifications. That way you don't miss any of our future videos. And you know what to do for all things 79 to present Mustang, first and second generation Lightning. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.